Dear viewers, welcome to my channel. In this channel, you will find videos on automobiles and auto replacement parts. I will try to give you good video gifts on this channel. Be sure to subscribe to the channel to get regular new videos and product links. Watch now. Latest new OEM cylinder head complete assembly include all parts. Item number 1. New OEM GZ250G and 300LT 250DR 250G and 250 electric tacho cylinder head complete assembly with all parts. This cylinder head complete fit for electric tachometer engine. The engine is without tachometer gear and tachometer cable. This cylinder head complete are ready to install. Super convenient, just purchase and install. Does not require machine work. Recommend professional installation of. Item number 2. New OEM GN250 GZ250LT 250DR 250 cylinder head complete assembly with all parts camshaft, rocker arms, valves. Brand name, Sanborn Origin, CN Origin. Item diameter, 15-inch. Item height, 15-inch. Item length, 15-inch. Displacement, ml, 250 material type, aluminum. Item type, engines. Item weight, 6.5 kg. Special features. Item number 3. New OEM quality cylinder head. OEM number 11109 38200 for GN250DR 250 GZ250G and 250. This cylinder head complete are ready to install. Super convenient, just purchase and install. Does not require machine work. Recommend professional installation of these parts. This cylinder head include all parts are brand new OEM parts as used in the factory where they are made. Thank you for watching the video. If you want to buy these products, then see the description. Click the product links and order now. Like, share, and comment on the video. For more videos, subscribe to the channel.